My name is Matteo Saveriano, and it is my pleasure to introduce Inverse. Inverse is an Horizon Europe funded project where we aim at developing interactive robots that intuitively learn to invert tasks by reasoning about their execution. Inverse aims at solving complex manipulation tasks across different domains by synthesizing, monitoring, and executing inverse plans from direct task demonstrations. In other words, we claim that if you can make it, you cannot make it better. For this, we need to endow robots with the cognitive capabilities needed to synthesize, monitor, and execute inverse plans from direct tasks, which are defined in terms of human understandable instructions and procedures. We want to develop robots that are able to understand their surroundings, including human intentions and needs, in order to determine what action the robot has to perform and how the environment is expected to change as a result. Represent knowledge in a flexible structure, specifically designed to facilitate execution monitoring, recovery from failures, and task inversion. Adapt robots' knowledge to different domains in order to synthesize effective solutions for direct and inverse tasks and to robustly react to the intrinsic variability of non-repetitive tasks. Enhancing the robot's ability to solve complex manipulation tasks across different domains will have a broad impact on research, economy, and society. In particular, we believe that increased robot autonomy will significantly improve workers' well-being, safety, productivity, and quality in manufacturing and logistics operations. User-centric design will enable the robots to work seamlessly with humans, enhancing their capabilities and improving their work experience. Predictive manufacturing will facilitate and increase recycling and reuse of key components and materials. Training of the next generation of engineers and workers will speed up the diffusion of robots in various industries, sectors, and I'm not alone in this journey, but I have a great consortium with 11 partners from 7 countries. Check our website inverse-project.eu to keep updated on our latest achievements.